Hello everyone. My name's Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Well, I went swimming with my son and this is what my hair looks like after getting it wet in the pool. I need to do something with it, so I'm going to pin it up and show you all the tips and tricks I learned in ballet class to actually keep my hair in a bun, since my hair is huge and wild and crazy and doesn't like to stay in any kind of submitted updo braid. It comes out everything. So I'm wetting the front of my hair because the hair gel I have, the only hair gel I have is like concrete, and unless I wet it, I can't work my hair into any kind of style that I want to work it into. And I'm also trying to decide what I want to do. If I want to pull it straight back or part it, I decided to part my hair. I am going to part my hair into 3 sections, two side front sections and one back section. Back section will be put in a ponytail and the front sections will be worked back into the ponytail one side at a time. This is so it stays in the brushed back style I want it in with the part. Otherwise, it's not going to hold and be flat to my head. I'm going to be pulling each front section back into the ponytail one at a time and securing it with a new hair elastic to the ponytail on the back of my head. Now I'm going to braid that huge ponytail into one really fat braid and secure it with another hair tie. Because there is absolutely no way I'm going to be able to roll all that hair into any kind of secure bun. It's just not going to happen. Now I'm going to stuff all that huge ponytail into a invisible hairnet. This is so that I can roll my hair under, and also it will help give a base to the pins I'm going to use to keep it pinned up. The hairpins and the hairnet work together to hold everything in place. Keep it neat and smooth, and so that it won't unravel or come down or go astray. I like to use these incredibly large, heavy-duty metal U-pins. Here's a good look at one, and they're bent. And I have a specific technique for putting them in. You catch a little of the hair, and then you twist it in. And you don't need to use a lot of these. I only used 4 to hold all my heavy, thick hair up. Checking the back in my mirror to see what the shape looks like and see if I want to adjust anything or change anything around. You see how that holds all that hair close to my head? That's why I use a hairnet. I would like to add that these styling tips of parting the front, using a hairnet, and the thick U-pins will work on all hair textures. They'll work on long hair, short hair, curly hair, thick hair like mine. They will help to keep your hair up and neat and without coming down as you move around during the day. Last, I am going to tie a scarf to one of my thick U-pins and put it in my hair as a decoration. And here is the final look. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear some comments about what you think of my hair video and if you like this style. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.